We are a community of entrepreneurs who believe in the power of transforming lives. We are families leading families, real people building a path of growth, purpose, and well-being. Today, when social media shows you nothing but luxury, materialism, and empty opportunities, here we stand, building legacy, family, and values, building something that truly matters. We are women who inspire, men who support, young people who dream, and leaders who serve. We believe in holistic health, conscious financial well-being, personal transformation, and the power of a community united by purpose. Our values guide us: service, leadership, integrity, family. This is who we are. This is what we live by. This is what we teach. We are a community that works together, that grows, inspires, and creates an impact. A community that transcends. We are Impactando Millones, and here we are to build a meaningful future and to impact millions.
Impactando millones.